All I ever wanted was a black Grand National. Now that's some pretty popular lyrics these days from who else but Kendrick Lamar. Get this, today, the president of SEMA showed his support, and obviously he's a super big fan of Kendrick Lamar. He brought Kendrick Lamar up in the Transportation Committee meeting in support of SB 712. That's Leno's law that potentially is going to change the collector regulations or the collector law regulations to exempt vehicles from smog that are 35 years and older.
All I ever wanted was a black Grand National. That's the first line of TV Off, a song by Kendrick Lamar, a Pulitzer Prize winning musician from Los Angeles and one of the most powerful voices of this generation. For him, it's just not a lyric. Kendrick said that his dad brought him home from the hospital in a 1987 Buick Regal Grand National. Years later, after making it big, he bought one for himself. Not for status, because it connected him to his roots. And earlier this year, in front of millions of viewers at the 25 Super Bowl halftime show, Kendrick featured that very car on stage, a symbol of his pride, history, and identity. That's what SB 712 is really about. It's about preserving access to automotive culture, especially for the next generation.
Now look for a link in the description or in the first comment and go see my takeaway from the whole committee meeting today and what I think is going to happen next.